Good morning, QPBOptionMillionaires.com. It is Tuesday, July 21st, 2015. S&P 500 futures yesterday. Look at the move we had. We started off here, went all the way down to here, all the way up to here, and we ended right about here, almost where we started the trading session. So if you look at this morning's early action as any indication, we're going to close the session right at about these levels. But what's not closing the session at these levels is a stock like Facebook. Look at Facebook. Even yesterday, strong showing all day, and look at it this morning, up over 99 new all-time record highs. Something that is soaring as well, the three-time gold bear ETF, and if you look, or gold miner bear ETF, Dust, huge move, JB at Option Millionaires, all over this last week, got the $29 calls. Look at this parabolic move to the upside, 35.42, pulling back a little bit this morning as gold gets a little bit of a bid. You can see gold futures here on a longer-term daily chart. What a nasty decline, but getting this little bounce here, and we'll see if that's something that's sustainable. Also, crude oil continues its pullback down almost 0.2% this morning. Looks like it's rolling back over. Could we revisit the lows from earlier this year? A distinct possibility. And then let's look at some earnings reports. Today we have, and this is the Dust chart there again from a weekly time frame. We have earnings after the bell. Chipotle Mexican Grill, I talked about this on a chart at the blog at Option Millionaires. You can see it's coming up to kiss former support here. So we'll see if this is an omen for downside. And if it does indeed fall, I'm looking for support here at about 500. Be a pretty nasty move for Chipotle Mexican Grill. ISRG also reports after the bell, shaping up here as prices start to narrow. You can see it's the top side, this former support line, looking for a move at least up to 535, 540, possibly up to almost 600. For ISRG, Microsoft reports earnings came up above former support here, so we see if we can get a move up to new multi-year highs for Microsoft. And finally, another stock to watch today would be Wynn Resorts, one I keep bringing up as far as support is concerned here. You can see each time it's hit this line, it's had a nice sharp bounce. This is the weekly chart. So if you pull up here from a 9-month perspective here, I think we're going to start to curl back up. 110, we'll see if we break this and fill this gap down that we had at the end of April. The analysts, again, very negative on the Macau and the stock, and I think when they start turning the corner on it, it'll already be up at $130, $140 a share. Also, one more stock that's reporting earnings, GoPro. I did a video about GoPro on March 17th, St. Patty's Day, when it was in the high 30s, almost $40 a share. You can see the move up it had yesterday. A little bit of a continuation today. Earnings report after the bell could send it up over $65 a share. All right, I'll see you in the chat room at OptionMillionaires.com. Everyone have a great trading session on this Tuesday, July 21st, 2015.